installing the neon lights. Yeah, show them where they gotta open the seal.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you the camera real quick. Here, show them where we push the wires through.
So you're gonna push the wires from here. This thing.
What? Alright, give me that back.
Dang it.
Alright, so. No, just hold on to it while I pull them out. So in the front, they're like right down there. My bad. You can see. They're right there. Right, that big wire right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out. Just hold it once it's all done. Pull them out outwards right now. Alright, so when the wires are all here, you go ahead and just drop them in the bottom on the tray. So we can lift the car and then we'll grab them from there. Just be careful not to throw it on the exhaust, which is right there, the front pipe. So remove that tray, and then we're gonna work on moving this one. It's just a Phillips and a flathead on this side as well to trace out from here. So far it's coming out good. We got this side, 3 on the side for safety. So it could go a long time. And then we got this one underneath. Right there. We got this one done too. 3 for extra safety, of course. And then the bottom one right there. We gotta install it somewhere here so you can't really. Mine was up here before, but you were able to see it. But I moved it down here, so now you can't really see it, which is a perfect spot. It sticks really good, and I'll show you guys if you're gonna do it at home or somewhere. I'll tell you where to. I'm gonna show you where I put this. And we got the wires hanging right now. That's the meat right there with his V3s, silver Accord. We got this wire running through here to protect it from anything, and we're gonna put all these wires together. In the end, once all the connections are connected. Yeah, we're gonna tuck them inside here, or because we want to stay away from this front pipe, so it's gonna go to the side, and we're gonna tuck them all inside there. And stay tuned, keep watching. All right, it's finally done. Zip ties. He's gonna go ahead and tighten them up and take off the excessive, but in the back I was telling you about, that's why I did mine in the back, and it stays there for a long time, like it still didn't come off. Up there, it's good. And then it goes up there. And then the wire is all the way on top, so through the shield above it. And it goes all the way to the top, you can see. So away from the heat and everything, it's still going on the top. And I brought it down here, and I opened up these right here, 4 of them. We bring it down, the whole piece, and we put all the wires through it, and all the stuff is in there. And we just put extra 3M here just for this one wire, so it doesn't get caught onto something. So it's whatever. And I'll show you guys real quick once it's lit up. And there it is. Yeah, you can change it. I'm gonna go in the front and change it. Change it to other colors. Oh, blue looks really good. I'm not gonna lie. My friend got a oil change right here.
I think they saw most of the video.
Nice. Those V3s. And then we got 2.0 here. We just worked on.
Guys, Honda Mods hooked me up with helping me out with my car, putting in lights underneath my car. Looks great, guys. All 4 sides are done. As you can see, He really hooked me up. We could change colors. Yellow, purple, blue, dark blue. He did a great job for me.